Hello, fellow learners and observers. Welcome to HPL Discovery. My name is Mary, and today we are going to learn about our bones. We even have a kit here where we're going to build our very own paper skeleton. But first, we're going to learn a little bit about our bones. All right? So you've probably seen pictures like this of skeletons, or maybe you have even had an x-ray to look at your own bones if you've ever had an injury. Well, this is what a human skeleton looks like. Humans are part of a group of creatures called vertebrates. That means that our bones are inside of our bodies and that they are covered with muscles and other tissues and skin so that we don't see our bones when we're wearing our skin. Your skeleton is made up of 206 bones, but don't worry. This kit here does not contain all 206 bones. Otherwise, we would be here all day and all night. So, we have simplified our skeleton so that we can still learn a little bit about how the bones go together, but we don't have to put together a 206-piece puzzle. Okay? All right, now we're going to focus a little close up on our project. Are you ready? All right, so let's take a look at our kits. We have a baggie of bones, a sheet of black construction paper, and our instructions, which I'm going to move aside so that we can spread out our bones. Let's take them out of the baggie and we'll spread them out so we can take a look at what parts we have. All right, so I'm going to take a guess that this right here is our skull, and that is our head bone, so we'll put it up at the top. This to me looks like a foot. So I'm going to put that near the bottom. And since we have 2 feet, we'll find the other foot. Then this looks like a hand to me. So I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to put the other hand over here. Then, if you remember our skeleton that we were looking at earlier, this set of bones looks to me like the spinal column and the ribs. So I'm going to put those right under the neck. And then this bone right here, to me, looks like our hip bones. This whole big bone that has your hip bones on it is called the pelvis, and that goes at the base of your spine. And then this is the tricky part. How will we know where these bones go? If you look at your arms and legs, they don't just come right out of your body as one piece. We have elbows and we have knees. So we're going to need upper legs and we're going to need upper arms. But which of these is the upper leg and which is the upper arm? Well, I'm going to answer that question for you. Because the longest bone in the human body is called the femur. And that is the bone that goes from your hip to your knee. Which of these look like the longest? Yep, I think that these are our femurs. All right, so we'll put those from the hip to the knee. And then that leaves these 2 bones to be our upper arms. All right, so now, ta-da! Our skeleton is completely assembled. So now you have a couple of choices of what you can do next. You can arrange your skeleton in a pose that you like you can make him wave, or you can make him jump up in the air. Woohoo! Let's make his legs. Or you can make him run. Let's make his legs running. Oh yeah. That looks kind of like a running pose, don't you think? All right, and then once you have your skeleton in a pose that you like, you can go ahead and glue him down or tape him down. Or if you have a parent with you who can supervise and you have some push pins, you can put either cardboard or corkboard or even a cushion underneath your skeleton. And then you can join up all of his joints with push pins so that we can still move his bones around. So like just put a pin wherever there's a joint. Like there's the shoulder joint. We'll connect his neck to his ribs, or his spine rather. And then we'll put his other shoulder joint. And then he needs an elbow, then another elbow, and now he needs his spine connected to his hips, his femur connected to his hip. We'll give him a pin in his knee, and another femur connected at the hip, and another knee. And then when you have all the pins in, you can move around his legs and move your skeleton that way. All right, I hope you've had fun putting your skeleton together, and I hope you have a lot of fun learning more about skeletons from the book lists and the other things that we've provided in your kit. I'll see you all next time. Thank you.